Mulirani otoko ya chaka korwa se county ya Nyamira asengo kumenya bunaniga ba MCA korwa se county yo babere bagweso kebene nabo igo kumugania omugavana we county yo Nyaribo kweneke nga obutukingo kolekana bure bwikirano aya magega yo muwaziri bw'obachenu kubutwa emirimo litkolye igoro asibayenekiri bunanigo obutukibwe imebora chiko kolekana enda kweneke ningoli obwate abamucho kolende gusanga boigo naba korwa sensemeyo nabaroboni go baba korwa ebirengereri byabo kubwatikana no kubutwa ko muwaziri oyo muri kicho Joma Angi no robotioro
Chitariki ikominemo omutienyi ogatano na kabere omwaka oyo ekero omugavana bwe county Nyamira amono omuwaziri bw'obochenu Timothy Ombati babete bagosyoria amaliogo y'ekimilioni 22 egati amaliogo kimilioni 35 ayo abete gakogorwa ne county
yabatigara 15 million na chache mutienyi oyo tarahera maybe by 20th by 25th
Maga yobo tutuka nukoba aroro ase okwena no kwa malioga yo nigo muwaziri wobochenu Timothy Ombati abeteka goteneniwa emeremo no mugavana gwe county ya Nyamira engana yaberege koreta liberera linene imeye county Nyamira asabara ina bamenyi bagendratse kurwa ebirengereri byabo.
The governor should not be the person accusing his minister. In fact, he should accuse first himself.
Bakorono mokonyi womonogerwe bunge county Nyamira Tadeus Nyabaro omuraibu abale abake ase bunge county Nyamira Mindariech nigo aba MCA batago kirinenganeye ase bono bamusabire omugavana bwe county Nyamira boigo gwetenenia emeremo elinde kwena nalibaga ase obotukigokorwa.
That is Excellency Governor Nyaribo as the county CEO to also take personal and collective responsibility over the matter by stepping aside.
Wadawa ndani halafu tunasikia ni minister anafutwa. So we are following up the matter and our demands are very few. Just one demand, that the governor should step aside to allow independent investigation.
All which was done in the eyes of the governor. He is the one who launched the empty boxes and now turning the sword to one of his own or one of his making. So we also want to ask kindly and patiently our Excellency the Governor, step aside.
Boigo engana yende ba musabire gokora no mu chief officer ase wizara yobochenu Andrew Ongere gotenenigwa emeremo.
On top of the action taken on Dr. Ombati, similar steps should be taken on Chief Officer for Primary Healthcare, Mr. Andrew Ongere, who is the accounting officer.
Chief Officer, who is the accounting officer of the department. The first person who should have gone home was the Chief Officer, not the minister. We call upon our governor to allow independent bodies to investigate.
Engane yaberege kwegwa okoboko namenyi be county Nyamira abatago kirinege tambokero kyo mugavana bwe county eyo
ngabyura aronja maliogo begezi na tori otajega tiji box go senji bwata maliogo bako to fulisi nguna bantu banyamira to ereso boke najo mugavana ngwa ekero ko beke inse nga maliogo abekiru nyagitari ko ikori ligendo to kora to ruwe fomu gari ko sai ni utali ko nyesoma lazima some you are the governor
ya toke chi ke toke tikoro moizonde umugabana kara komo kokotebo butro mu waziri kenenge ntekereke besana atesori atigati aje bwa chipokisi bwa timari yogo ime kayarengere tarengo ichigora aligere chipokisi chigo sinji bwa tamari yogo
ginko reporteria Ndizi TV kurase county Nyamira Job Maangi.